Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is NASA's Moonfall Drones. This topic relates to Science and Technology section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. NASA's Moonfall Drones, part of the Artemis mission, are set to explore the lunar South Pole, a region of great scientific importance, yet difficult to access due to its rugged terrain. These drones will provide enhanced mobility over traditional rovers, offering a unique propulsion-based hopping system to navigate craters and rocky surfaces, making them ideal for lunar surface exploration. This technology marks a significant leap in the future of lunar exploration. Now let's discuss how will they fly on airless moon. NASA's Moonfall drones use propulsion-based hopping rather than traditional flight, as there's no air to generate lift on the moon. Each drone will use rocket-like engines for controlled hops across the lunar surface. These hops, each lasting 150 seconds, will cover distances of up to 50 kilometers. They will reach altitudes of 1 kilometer, enabling rapid movement across terrain difficult for rovers to access, including craters and permanently shadowed regions. Now let's discuss how will Moonfall drones survive cold lunar nights. The Moonfall drones are built to endure the extreme cold of lunar nights, which can reach temperatures as low as -173 degrees Celsius. Equipped with solar panels and onboard batteries, the drones will be able to survive the 14-day lunar night by storing energy. The drones' advanced avionics and power systems will ensure they remain operational despite the harsh conditions, allowing them to continue their exploration of the moon's surface. Now it's time to do a practice question. Consider the following statements regarding NASA's Moonfall drones. 1. These drones rely on traditional flight to move across the lunar surface. 2. The drones are part of NASA's Artemis mission, aimed at establishing a permanent human presence on the moon. Which of the above statements is or are correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 only. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.